Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. It's so true that diamonds are a girl's best friend. However, a wallet is not always my best friend. These beautiful cubic zirconia earrings from RANEECOCO are sparkly and beautiful and really make me feel like I am wearing real diamond earrings. As you can see up close, the beautiful emerald cut of these is absolutely stunning. They sparkle in different lightings and they sparkle whether I have short hair or my hair pulled back. I really love that the posts are made from 18 karat white gold plated over silver, so there's absolutely no irritation to my skin wearing these earrings. They come in a beautiful box, so you can feel confident in giving these as a gift or even just to treat yourself. They would be just as enjoyable. The design of these up close and from far away is stunning and sparkly and gorgeous, and anyone would be happy to receive these. Whether you get these as a treat for yourself or receive them, you would be really pleased and happy to be able to see that sparkle and shine. And then you can say not only are diamonds a girl's best friend, but cubic zirconia is as well. And that's my point of view.